everybody, and welcome to the Stapler Society.
Yeah, whatever he said.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yup. This is that's like a voice I've never done before. I need to clear my throat. Hold on.
I'm gonna stand by my word. I'm snotting on y'all tonight.
So, what do we do on the Stapler Society, Mr. Snot?
We goof around because we're little goofballs.
Yes, we may do subjects like gaming and podcasts and other things that are kind of stupid.
And you've definitely never met me before. Any viewers watching, you've definitely never seen me before on any old, altered Smash videos. Definitely not, altered, snow stuff. Definitely not on there. But, hello. Definitely not a different personality.
And I definitely did not leak his IP address on
Wait, what?
Doxspin.com.
You're on Doxspin. Yeah, there is no going back.
So what are games? What are the games we're gonna play? We're gonna play Stardew, maybe. For the first time for me, for the 100,000th, a big number time for him. What else?
What?
What other games are we gonna play?
Well, eventually I know we're gonna play Stardew Valley, but that's next week.
Yep.
If I ever get it, we will play Smash.
Okay.
I mean, I could get Among Us on my phone if you really wanted me to.
Okay.
But for some reason, the Streamlabs app I'm using, it doesn't allow me to, well, the StreamYard app doesn't allow me to, hear the call if I use another app. So, I'm kind of stuck in the call right now.
Well,
So it's either I'm stuck in the call or I'm gonna keep disconnecting because Chrome sucks.
what else are we gonna what kind of subjects will we touch on when we're doing our podcast stuff?
Staplers.
Staplers?
Definitely.
Well, anyway, speaking
I
of
sacrifice staplers.
Sacrifice staplers?
Yes, I sacrifice staplers to the stapler god.
Really?
Yes. That's why we're the secret stapler society.
Dude, me too.
No way.
Did you hear Jimmy got sacrificed last night?
No way.
I know. He's a great guy.
Yeah,
Except no, he wasn't. He was a terrible guy. He killed my family.
Whoa.
He was in jail for 5 years. Good thing they sacrificed him. He was the worst stapler that ever stapled.
Dang.
He shall never staple again.
Bro, that's a violation. I would honestly not take that.
Yeah, I know. I was just a kid. I was just a wee lad. I was 2 years old when it happened.
Dang.
He killed my Aunt Skibbity and my Uncle Ohio.
No.
I know. what else will we do besides gaming and podcasts and sacrificing staplers?
Comedy.
Okay, yeah, that's a good idea. Um,
I'm just finishing making the banner right now.
okay.
Did you just laugh?
No.
Could have sworn I just heard somebody laugh. No, it sounded like my brother's laughing, but my brother's... I don't even know where my brother is right now.
Well, are those potatoes? No, wait, no, they're lemons. They're both lemons. I thought there were potatoes and lemons. That would be a big coincidence.
Wait, what?
Potatoes and lemons. I'm in my grandpa's room right now.
Oh, that's crazy. Potatoes and lemons? Nah. I just realized I've had a fruit and a vegetable named for my channels. That's crazy.
Dude, I know. And I've had
And I don't even like what I don't actually I do like lemons and potatoes actually. Not poisonous potatoes, or worse not, but whatever.
an adjective is a describing thing, right? It's like
What?
thing. An adjective.
I think so.
Then
It's
I've
either
had
that or it's an action describing something.
I think an adverb is an action describing something. I if it is, then I've had two adjectives as my name. If you're wondering, if anyone from my channel is wondering why my name is different now, I made it that way so that I could find it when I searched it on YouTube Studio, so I could link it in the homepage of Stapler Society. I have great visions for Stapler Society, dude.
Same.
It's nice to have a channel where I don't have to like do things. I can just like talk.
Yeah.
And on my channel, I can't really like I can talk, but I can't really talk to people. Like
Yo, Gavin. Not Gavin. Oh my gosh, I just called you Gavin. Marco. I'm so sorry. Marco.
it's fine, it's fine.
Marco, you're gonna love this banner.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, by the time the banner is by the time this video is out, the banner will already be on our channel. So people watching this, go see the go look at the banner.
I don't care about AI boyfriends calling you mommy, Polly AI. You're the most brain rot app I've ever seen.
Dude, I know.
Polly AI.
Polly AI freaking sucks. I haven't even used it, like, but the ads are everywhere. I'm just scrolling through YouTube Shorts, and it's just like, oh, character AI has like filters, and they read your chats or something. But Polly AI has like,
No, I
emo.
literally keep getting ads saying POV, your AI boyfriend calls you mommy. Like, whoa, what? Bam. Made the
I know.
banner.
How they know about your AI boyfriend?
Wait, what? Huh? I'm not gay, bro.
I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. I know.
All right, look at the new banner, bro.
Okay. Well. I go look at the new banner. We're gonna end the video right here, folks.
Wait,
So
why? Why?
because
Why?
I want to get to a chance to like do the new outro I came up with.
Okay.
Have fun and stay stapling.
What's that